Hey guys, Nick here with Tech Duo. In this video, we're going to talk about the Wyze Cam version 3. Let's get started. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about the Wyze Cam version 3. We're going to compare it with the Wyze Cam version 2. We'll do a little back and forth, we'll do some specs, I'll do an unboxing of this. So what I did want to talk about is Wyze as a company too. They make fantastic products for an amazingly affordable price. This camera right here, I think you can get it for about $25 off the Wyze website. I pre-ordered this, I got this maybe a week or so ago. So I have one and I was using it to test with, and this is the other one I'm going to use to unbox. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and start the unboxing, compare it physically with the Wyze 2, then we'll do some video comparisons, some dark, some light, just so you guys can see the video of each of these cameras and kind of compare them and see how they are. The version 3 though, spoiler alert, is a lot better. So here we go, we got the Wyze Cam version 3 here in the box. I will just pull this open here and let's get this guy out. All right, so it comes with a nice little quick start guide right here, essentially telling you exactly how to get this set up. So we can look at that later. And let's see what comes in this box here. So we'll pull this up and looks like the camera's right here. Let's push this through. Comes very nicely packaged. Oh. Now if I can get this out of here. Okay. Let's peel this guy off. And there we go. So here is the camera. And here's the charging port. Or the power. So let's pull that rubber band off. And as you can see here, it is a micro USB. So what this little rubber does that's compared to the version 2 is it helps with water. So this essentially is kind of weatherproof. You put it in here, gives it a nice nice suction on there so that it does not get any water inside. And it looks like this opens up right there. Allows you to move it around and maneuver it. And we got the SD card right here. We can put the SD card in there. It's a micro SD. We have the setup button. All right, great. And then here's the speaker in the back. So we'll pull that back up later. Let's see what else is in this box. Just flip it upside down. And we have our micro USB cable. It's a pretty long one too. And then a few accessories here. So we have anchor and screws. And then we have, it looks like the wall outlet, the AC adapter. And then we have a metal plate. You can screw this into the wall and just put it on there as it is magnet. Just a magnet there on the bottom. And this is tape too. So you can tape this on the back of it and tape it wherever you want and use that. So that's cool. So let's take this Wyze Cam version 3 here, and I have the version 2 right here. So as you guys can see here, these are the devices. This has a much better build quality to it than the version 2. Version 3 is far better in build quality from what I can tell. So we'll close that up. And this guy's far cheap. You can kind of feel it as you pick this up compared to this. This is much better overall. And as you can see here, this is the USB outlet. I will just open this up quickly. And you can see you can use this externally, so you can use it outside. Plug this in here. Closes this up real nice so water doesn't get inside there. And then you can plug this wherever you want. Here we have some comparisons of version 3 and version 2. This first one is version 3 with just standard studio lighting. Version 2 is much grainier, as you can tell just by this video. We'll move on to a darker setting. This is with lights off. Version 3 is this first video. And we'll move to Wyze Cam V2. And as you can see, it's much darker all around the subject. Now we have a couple outdoor settings. So this is version 3 again. And then version 2, you'll see turns much grainier. And you can't necessarily see as much detail. It doesn't have as much lighting either. All right, guys, so that wraps up today's video. We compared version 2 with version 3 of the Wyze cams. As you guys can see, the camera is much better on the Wyze Cam version 3. So hopefully this video kind of helps you decide whether or not you even want to get one of the Wyze cams. I think it's great, and for the price point, I don't see why you guys couldn't try it out. So hope you guys liked the video, like and subscribe, and enjoy your day.